Hi, Frank Thomas here. What I'm about to show you is going to change the way you think about video marketing forever. Even if you've never created a video before or you are already an experienced video marketer, let me let you in on a secret. Video is the future. Smart companies are already investing tons into video marketing and have been for years. But you may be asking yourself, how do I compete with the big boys with big budgets just to get my video seen? And I'm glad you asked. If video is the future, live streaming video is the future on steroids. Let me tell you why. Right now, the search engines are treating YouTube live events as newsworthy. What does it mean to you? Simple. Much faster and higher rankings on videos. But up to now, live streaming videos has either been difficult, tricky, or just too expensive. What if I could show you a way to easily create YouTube live events, then stream the video as a live event without having to rent an expensive virtual server just to get the job done? I'm about to show you how you can have your own live streaming system that will let you stream easier than ever before. A system that gives you all the features you love and the features the big boys just can't give you. Sounds pretty cool, huh? Let's take a look at a live demo of Livestream Genius. Okay, I fired up Livestream Genius and you can see it's a very simple interface. This program is designed to be as simple as possible. Okay, so the first thing we'll want to do is go click on the accounts page, and we have no accounts in this yet, so I'm going to add new account, and I'm going to add in one of my test accounts. All I have to do is add in my email and the password to the account, and select Get Account Channels. So what it's going to do now, it's actually going to go out, log into Google, and then jump over to YouTube and then pull the channel information. So we'll just give it 1 second here. And you can see I've got various channels here. I got 4 different channels, one of them actually in Russian. No idea what it says. Now you can see here when it's come back, it's actually showing me all the channel names. So I'm going to select test channel and I'm going to select save. So there we go. We have our username, password, test channel. For right now, we're going to do a simple project. I'm going to select add new project. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say Okotoks Alberta Duct Cleaning. Okay, I'm going to grab that and copy it. I'm going to paste that in here and give it a bit better of a title. Okay, services. The tool fully supports Spintax, so what I can do is, let's say I can have this inside of curly braces. I'll select that, copy. I have to put a bar, like a pipe symbol in place here. And I'm going to paste that in here again, and I'm just going to have it select a new curly here. Cleaning services. We'll change services to professionals. Okay. So down here, we want to have the video tag, and we're going to copy that in there and just make this a little simpler. Okay, and I'm going to put this underneath of how to install. I'm going to stream it at 720p as a public video. I can add a thumbnail, which I don't have at this time. A thumbnail is just like an image, which will show up on the front page. And the video file, you need an MP4 file. I'm just going to grab one that I've created already. Okay, so now I'm going to select the channel, the test channel that I want to use. And I'm going to do one further thing here. I'm going to put a location as Okotoks AB. And it's really important to do that if you're doing ranking for local customers, like local businesses, because it's going to get just a little bit more love if you do it to the local area. And I'm going to show you an example of that when we're finished here. So now I'm going to save that. And the last thing I have to do, which is the hardest thing of all. Okay, so now Livestream Genius is going to log into Google and in turn logs it into YouTube. Once it's logged into YouTube, it's going to select the correct channel and create a live stream event for us. Okay, as it continues to set up the live stream for us, I'm going to show an example of a 3 videos that I live streamed up. I live streamed them up on all different accounts. Now they're not, I'm going to be honest with you, they're not showing up in the web results for our local area. It is fairly competitive. I'm actually surprised there's no ads showing up either right now. But, you know, we're seeing 134,000 results. If I jump over the videos, there's even, you know, 2,000 videos in here that is picking up, almost 2,000. And you can see the 3 that I streamed are showing up. They're showing up with their thumbnail image nicely, so it's nice. You can see it's done by, this is uploaded by Open Exposed Houses for Sale, Neil Tank, and the third one that I did was my personal name, Frank Thomas. And I basically jumped ahead of all these other videos literally overnight when I streamed these. And let's just take a look at what another fellow here, his name is Tim Schreiner, says. This fellow is a certified YouTube expert who dispels myths and dispenses wisdom about YouTube SEO best practices. Now let's see what he says about live events or live streaming in general. Does live streaming on YouTube affect SEO? It does. It's huge. Live streaming triggers something in the YouTube search algorithm that just makes it go bonkers in a good way. And I have to totally agree. This doesn't lie. This doesn't lie. I found that when I've uploaded videos, they don't show up, or they show up really far in the SERPs. Like, I mean, really deep in the SERPs. Now, I'm going to tell you that this is a very competitive, as you can see in the video side, very, very competitive. So getting in here is just, it's awesome if you're trying to capture people who want to be in the real estate market in my local area. Okay, so let's just take a look at live stream Genius is doing. We can see here it's streaming the video nicely. We'll just let it continue cooking in the background here. Okay, so it's just wrapping things up right now for us. Okay, so once the stream is completed and it sees it successfully has been streamed, the status of the project will be updated to streamed, and we can actually click here on Edit Event, and you can see the button has changed before it was Stream Event. If we want to, let's say, make slight changes or run this again, all we have to do is clone it. This is the cloning feature everybody keeps talking about. And I'm going to save this. And you can see I'm going to have a new job here that says Stream Event. And you can see the smart button knows that either it has been streamed or it has not. And it will do one or the other. And that's Live Stream Genius Basic. I hope that's going to give you an idea what it's all about and how easy it is to use this software. Okay, just as a quick amendment to the end of the video here, I wanted to show you I stopped recording and went to wrap everything up, and I thought, I'm just going to check quickly, because normally I don't see rankings this fast, but just so there's no trickery here, here it is. 4 minutes ago on my test channel, I uploaded Okotoks, Alberta duct cleaning. Yes, it's just under videos. Under web, I doubt I'm going to see it because it is a very competitive term here as well. Lots of advertising, but I do know with strong backlinking, I can get this onto the front page. But right away, right on top. Now, all these guys have worked so hard to get their videos up here. You know, some of them are 2004, 2003, 2004. And here we are right on top. It hasn't even finished processing yet. It hasn't even got a thumbnail. And already, 5 minutes ago, our video's on top. And this is what this fellow here, this Tim Schreiner, mentioned about the fact that it is great for ranking. There's just no ifs, ands, buts about it. So make sure you pick up your copy of Livestream Genius. And don't delay. The special for early adopters is not going to last long. Thanks again.